Mirny region is located in the western part of Sakha Republic. It was founded on January 12, 1965, with the beginning of diamond mining. Climate in the area is sharply continental, with extreme temperature changes in summer and winter. The winter lasts up to 7 months, while the summer is short and relatively hot. The area of the region is more than 165,000 square kilometers, which is compared to the territory of some European states. Most of it is covered with forest. Distance from Mirny city to Moscow is 4,200 kilometers. There are 3 airports in the region: Mirny, Udachny and Aikhal. Regular airlines connect the Diamond Land with the main settlements of the Republic, as well as Moscow, Krasnoyarsk, Novosibirsk, Irkutsk, Krasnodar and other major cities. Administrative structure of the region consists of 9 municipal areas, including 2 cities, Mirny and Udachny, 4 settlements, Aikhal, Chernyshevsky, Svetly, Almazny, and 3 villages, Arylach, Tasyurach and Syldukar. By January 1, 2013, the population of Mirny region was more than 72,000 people. There are 34,000 inhabitants live in the city of Mirny, which is the administrative center. Mirny region is one of the most industrialized areas of Sakha Republic. It is known as the center of Russian diamond mining industry. About 20% of the world diamond production is located in Mirny region. Highly developed industrial, engineering, transport and social infrastructure make it one of the most important and budget-forming regions of Sakha Republic. Alrosa Open Joint Stock Company is the main enterprise in the area. The company is specialized in diamond mining and ore processing in Russia and abroad. Alrosa occupies more than 95% of the total industrial production in the region. On the Belu River, there are 3 hydroelectric power plants. 2 of them form a cascade of the Beluskaya hydraulic power station, named after Yevgeny Batenchuk. The third one is Svetlinskaya hydraulic power station. All of them deliver electricity to the north and south of the Republic. Unique power plants are often called the heart of Western Yakutia. Mirny city is the administrative center of the region. In 1955 it was a tent settlement close to the recently discovered diamond pipe Mir. The city is a dream of geologists and first diamond miners. The generation of people who survived and fought in World War II made a great effort to turn this area into a place convenient for life and work. In the harsh conditions of far north, wild forest and extreme temperatures, they have managed to build a peaceful and modern city with beautiful green streets and well-maintained squares. Mirny is called the Diamond Capital. A unique museum of kimberlites created by geologist James Savrasov is situated here, as well as the Historical and Industrial Museum of Alrosa Company. The diamond sorting center of Alrosa in Mirny often exhibits precious crystals to special guests. The open pit Mir is the main object of the city's industrial area. It is always shown to the guests of the town during sightseeing tours. Mir is one of the largest man-made pits in Sakha Republic and even Russia. At present time it is out of operation. In 2009, construction of the underground mine was finished here to provide deeper mining of the ore body. One of the major attractions of the city is the Holy Trinity Church, built in 2000. Later on, several other major buildings were constructed. Among them is the Children's Sports Palace, a sports complex named after 60th anniversary of the victory, with its ice rink and stadium, the Veluysky Rink Memorial, Theatrical and Concert Center Yakutsk, Orthodox Gymnasium, the monuments of the first heads of Yakutia Trust, Viktor Tikhonov and Lev Soldatov. In 2011, Aikhal settlement celebrated its 50th anniversary. As part of celebrations, a monument was inaugurated to George Kadzev, one of the first directors of the mine Aikhal. The most beautiful building of the settlement is the Church of the Nativity, which was opened in 2009. In the neighboring town of Udachny, a monument to Larisa Popugayeva is located. She is famous as a legendary geologist and the discoverer of the first diamond pipe Zarnitsa. In 2012, A new Orthodox church named after said Seraphim Sarovsky was built here. Now it's definitely the biggest and the most beautiful temple in the far east of Russia. Mirny region is not only industrial but also a scientific and educational center of Yakutia. Diamond mining is the most technologically advanced production in the area. Open pits, underground mines and process plants implement state-of-the-art solutions. Some of them are unique for the local climate conditions. Diamond Mining and Project Institute, Yakutny Pralmaz and Geological Research Enterprise carry out scientific and research work in the field of mining and mineral processing, as well as exploration. In 1994, a branch of the Yakut State University was opened in Mirny. Now it is known as the Northeastern Federal University, with its Polytechnic Institute in Mirny. Students are trained here in the field of mining, power generation, electrical equipment, foreign languages, mathematics and other sciences. The institute graduates also become professionals in the oil and gas industry, which is currently developing in the region. Secondary professional education is available to young people in Mirny Technical College, Svetly Industrial Technical School and professional colleges in Udachny and Aykhal settlements. In Chernyshevsky settlement, a cadet school is located, named after General Gennady Troshev. School children from different towns of Sakha Republic study here. Mirny region is industrial historically, but the agricultural sector also exists here. The main fields of agriculture are animal breeding, plant cultivation, hunting and fishing. Agricultural production in the region is represented by the farm Novi and a number of private farms producing and selling grocery. The farm Novi is a subsidiary of Alrosa company. It is specialized on meat and milk production. Cultural and sports life in Mirny region is well organized. There are several children's and adult amateur art groups, children's art schools in settlements, additional education centers, sports clubs and communities. The year 2011 was marked by the 5th Republican Sakha Olonho, which is the biggest national holiday in Sakha Republic. A special landscape and ethnographic complex called Olonho Land was built for this event near the lake Chonalir. The main purpose of the holiday was to introduce customs and traditions of Sakha people to a multi-ethnic population of the region and nurture patriotic feelings for the native land. Also, the holiday of Sakha is famous for its sporting events, where athletes from different regions of Sakha Republic compete to win good prizes. In 2009, thanks to the joint efforts of the government, Alrosa company and the municipality, nature park called Living Diamonds of Yakutia was opened. It is situated 4 kilometers away from Chonalir Lake on an area of more than 32,000 hectares. The park is inhabited by musk oxen, wapiti yaks, spotted deer and other animals. All are kept in conditions close to natural. A visit to this park is included in tourist route The Diamond Way, which is created to promote domestic tourism and to get people acquainted with production, processing and sorting diamonds before turning them into jewelry. Representatives of more than 80 nationalities live and work in Mirny region. Diamond Land became a second home for many thousands of people from different republics of former Soviet Union who arrived here to develop mineral industry and all its settlements. With the support of Mirny region authorities, a branch of the Sakha Republic People's Assembly was established here. Now it consists of 17 national and cultural organizations. Among them are fruitfully working Yakut, Slavonic, Buryat, Kazakh, Tatars and Bashkirian communities. Such national holidays as Sakh, Sabantui, Nauriz, Surkharban became a true cultural asset and a way to know much about the culture of other nationalities. Competitions and festivals like Slavonic tunes, National Mother and different sports games are carried out annually as a good tradition. Most of them are held by People's Assembly, which has a full organizational and financial support of the region's authorities, Alrosa company and other sponsors. Mirny People's Assembly makes a significant contribution to strengthening friendship between all nationalities living here. The main goal of all efforts to pass these traditions to the younger generation. Here, on the severe land of permafrost, the main value have always been its people, peace and friendship, as well as mutual understanding. Foreseeable prospects of the municipality are associated primarily with the future development of the diamond, oil and gas fields. Mirny region still holds a leading position in social and economic development, producing nearly a quarter of the gross domestic product of Sakha Republic. Integrated development of Mirny region through competent economic and social policy of local authorities and Alrosa company helps to improve constantly the quality of life of its inhabitants. Therefore, residents of the Diamond Land may look confidently into the future.